Hello, this is another video on translation. Now instead of a triangle, I have this L shape here labeled P, and we want to translate this shape 3 units to the right and 2 units down. Okay, so 3 units to the right, 2 units down. So if we take each point and translate it separately, so if we take this top point here and we move it 3 units to the right, 2 units down, so we mark it here, that's your image point. Okay, take the next point, which is this one here. Okay, so we move it 3 units to the right and 2 units down, and we label it here. That's your image point of this. Then we take the next point, so we go clockwise. So this point here is translated 3 units to the right and 2 units down. We mark it there. Then take the next point here, which is 3 units to the right, 2 units down. Okay, take this next point here, which is 3 units to the right, 2 units down. And then take the last point, which is 1, 2, 3, and then 2 down. Okay? So what we want to do now is join the points as per original shape. Yeah, just like I do here. So this is going to be your translated shape. And now, how do we write this translation as a vector? Because that's what the question is asking you. So the translation as a vector, you need to write the 2 brackets first of all. And remember, we translated the shape 3 squares to the right. So we write this +3, not -3. If it was -3, it was translated 3 units to the left. But instead, it's been translated to the right, so we put +3 there. And then 2 squares down, so that means -2. If it was translated up, it would have been +2. Okay, so we put a minus there instead. And we call this new shape, we label that as P1. Okay, and we wrote this translation also as a vector. Okay, another question on the same sheet, and this is more like an exam type question, and the students could be asked, for example, to describe the translation that transforms triangle A to triangle B. So we need to decide what vector of translation has happened here. Okay, so if we take we need to find out what movement has taken place from point A, which was the original point, because remember it's from triangle A to triangle B, onto this point here, which is the top corner as well. So we need to find out, if we translate the shape to the right, if we translate the corner to the right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's 6 units to the right, and how many up until we get to our image point? So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. So we've got 6 units to the right and 3 units up. If I write the vector now, and let's see if this is true for all the other corners. So we've got this corner here. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah? Because we need to get to the image point, which is there. So we get 6 units, so we translate the corner, 6 units to the right and 3 units up. So that works. And if we now check this for the last corner, and we need to get there as well. Okay, so let's see how many spaces we need to move to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3. So 6 units to the right, 3 units up. So this vector here is true. Okay. And again, we could do the same thing if we want to work out the translation vector that transforms triangle B to triangle C. Is the same thing. I'm not going to do this in this video, but thank you for watching. Thank you.